Are you in the market for a new general purpose bucket? If you are, and you're looking for a bucket that's going to withstand the rough, harsh Aussie terrain and be as reliable as it can possibly be, then stick around. In this video, we're going to go over our Attach to GP bucket range. Hey guys, Lockie here from Attach to Equipment. Now we know you as an operator, you need a bucket that is reliable and honestly is designed to give you the quickest cycle times, being one of the key features. Now, in this video, we're going to go over why our Attach to general purpose bucket is the bucket that you need, going over all the features and benefits and why we've designed it like this. The entire GP bucket range starts from a 1.5 ton bucket all the way up to a 36 ton bucket. And every single one is designed with a squat profile. So that's from the top pickup pin down to the cutting edge. Now, that is being as short as possible without sacrificing any performance for you or capacity as well. So we are, of course, trying to work these with the tilting hitches and quick hitches. The shorter it can get means the greater breakout force and greater power behind each dig. Throughout our bucket range, we have, of course, designed them with twin tapered sides. So this is from bottom to top and front to back. Now, this in turn will give you the ability of clearer visibility down the sides up against tight spots like buildings, anything like that. Of course, giving you less drag on sticky materials and just the material on the ground really, and less wear on these cheek plates as well. Now, a key feature of all our buckets is actually the double radius curve. So that starts just behind the teeth, the cutting edge here, and wraps all the way around to that double radius. So for you, what you'll notice is that it actually is following the natural shape of the digging motion. So it works with the geometry of your boom there. Ultimately causing less drag, less wear on the back of the unit as well, less fuel burn, and now that's super important. And all in all, will of course help cycle times as well. Now, we do get asked a lot of the time, what are these hooks for? Why are they there? Now, the hooks are actually to make your life a little easier. So when you're needing to move your buckets around the job site, whatever it may be, you just get your wide bucket, hook the cutting edge in there, pick all the buckets up, and you can safely nest them and move them around without them falling out from the inside of the bucket. Just another feature for you guys to make it easier. Now, all our GP buckets are going to come with HB 400 wear strips on the back here. This is for, of course, wear resistance, making sure that we're lasting the bucket as long as possible. Now, every one of our GP buckets will come with removable Esco style teeth. So they are just a twist on, twist off style tooth. Now, extremely wear resistant, and when you do need to replace them, if you do, they are very easy to acquire, so we have made sure that is a feature for you. As an optional extra, you can get side bolt-on cutting edges. Now that's throughout the entire range, and that will of course have create a cleaner cut, but also going to reduce the wear on the side cutting edges as well. Here at Attach to, we back our customers, and we want to give you the ultimate support. Therefore, every bucket from Attach to will be under our industry-leading 3-year warranty. So that's 3 years on all material and manufacturing defects, as well as 12 months on hydraulic components. The 1.5 ton range up to the 36 ton range does have, of course, a price difference. So it starts at around $600 and goes up to around $11,000. This is, of course, dependent on any modifications, what your application actually is, and any other aspects to that factor. We know for you as an earth-moving professional, you need attachments that's going to give you the greatest return on your investment. Now, here at Attach to, we have made sure to design and supply only the top-tier quality of buckets, grabs, and hitches. So if you're in the market for any more attachments, be sure, give us a call, send us an email, and we will help you find your next performance package. With quality service and reliable backup support, you can count on Attach to be your true single source attachment supplier.